How to convert any text to natural voice. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply open Google Chrome browser. Here you guys will search for low voice AI. So I will simply search for low voice AI. Once I search for that website, you guys will simply click on that first one. Once we click here you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on login. Once we click here you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see continue with Google, our email address. So it's up on you. So I will simply use my email address. So I will simply log in, sign up. After that click on continue. Here it will say we send verification code to your email. So simply check your inbox. So I will simply go to my inbox and paste the code. Now wait for some seconds. Here we go. Our account was created. Now we can convert 20,000 words to voice. So for example, I will simply paste my script. You guys can paste your script. Once you paste your script, here you guys can see language wise. So you guys can select your language if you are converting that language script to text. So I am selecting English. It's depend on you. Also you guys can see voices like Guy, Jenny, Anna. So it's upon you which voice you want to choose. So I will simply choose Jenny, our male but Jenny. After that I will simply click on generate audio. I also adjust the audio by clicking here, and here you guys can adjust it. After that click on generate audio. Now we will wait for some seconds. Here we go, our voice was generated. You guys can see download option with voice. So let's play the voice like it was very realistic and natural, and that's how you guys can generate your voice. So let's click on that.
A poor boy named Jack found a wallet full of cash. Instead of keeping it, he returned it to the owner, a rich man who didn't even thank him. A week later, the same man hired Jack.
For downloading that clip, simply click on that download option. Thanks for watching.